Craving a delicious and easy creamy chicken pasta? Well, I'll show you how to make it with just a few simple ingredients. Welcome to another easy recipe cook along here on Grocery Dad. This creamy chicken and mushroom pasta is incredibly rich and satisfying, perfect for a quick meal, and just uses really basic ingredients from our list of 20 weekly essentials. This is all about how to save money, how to cut food costs, and really important for us, it's about healthy eating. Imagine it's Saturday afternoon, you need a quick lunch. This is totally something you can whip up for your family without blowing your budget. I had a comment the other day saying you must live a really sad and boring life if you live off 20 groceries a week. And well, we don't, but I will let you be the judge. All right then, let's get this going. Now, one of the first things people might notice is I'm not really using exact measures for this recipe. The purists might well have an issue with that, but it's just not how I'd cook this sort of a meal. Saturday afternoon, want to get this out quickly, and so there you have it. So a splash of olive oil goes in first, and then we're taking a handful of mushrooms. I think that might have been 6, roughly chopped, and this ended up making about 6 portions for us. We're going to fry those off. Just using a little Marco Pierre White trick there, just to moderate the temperature in the pan a little bit. Decided to add a knob of butter, just to zhuzh things up a little bit there with the mushrooms, and then it's back to the garlic. 3 cloves I was using, could have been 4, could have been 5. Quite frankly, you can never have too much garlic, and I would describe this as a rough chop, not being too kind of fastidious with that. The key thing here for me is we're cooking with basic ingredients, we're cooking with leftovers, and we want it to be easy and sustainable. Back to the pan, give those mushrooms another little spin around, in goes the garlic. That's where I find you've got to keep the garlic moving, otherwise it's going to burn quite easily. Probably turn the heat down a little bit there as well. Now I brought out the homemade stock. If you've seen the videos before, you use the Instant Pot, the magic Instant Pot. Get your chicken carcass in there with whatever, onion, celery, carrot. Make a beautiful stock, pour that in. We've always got some of that on hand in the fridge. What about you? Do you do the same? So that goes in, let that simmer off a little bit. Here we go with some water that we're going to boil for our pasta. Bit of seasoning, again, what feels right to you. Salt, and then some cracked pepper. Another quick stir. Pasta's in, macaroni in this instance, which tend to find cooks quite nicely, goes well with a sauce like this. Now we've got our leftover chicken. So this is roast chicken that I roasted up, about 2 or 3 days earlier? Maybe not even that. It might have been actually just the day before. Gosh, time flies. Anyway, chop that up roughly, again, all goes in there, skin, juices, the whole caboose. And now we're getting some cream in. I would say that is about 1/3 of a small pot of thickened cream. Somebody commented recently that you can make your own cream, which I've never done before. I didn't really get a grasp of what that entailed, but why not? You know, if there's another way to economise and to cut out some of the extra manufacturing bits and pieces that might be in a shop or tub of cream. So anyway, that goes in, a little bit of wash up in the meantime as well. Give that some more stir, take it off the heat a little bit. A little bit more pepper I decided was needed at this point. So that goes in. Stirring all around. And then I've just lobbed all of the cooked pasta in there. And I'm going to stick the lid back on and let that all come together a little bit for a few minutes. Now a bunch of Parmesan goes in there. Nice bit of cheese, stir it all around. In all honesty, I was expecting this to be creamier than it was. So what did I say? A third of a tub of cream. I could have easily gone a half, or a little bit more, just to give this a little bit more of a creamy texture. But look, it wasn't bad. Look at that. I think that's pretty nice. The chicken is starting to just break down a little bit. We've got the mushrooms. There's a garlicky flavour in there. Yeah, it definitely could have been a bit more creamy. There's no doubt about that. But there you have it. Beautiful chunks of roast chicken with mushrooms, garlic, nice bit of cream, lovely bit of stock that we put in there. Now, is this something I'm exceptionally proud of? Is this one of my best culinary efforts of all time? No, it's not, but it does tick a hell of a lot of boxes. It's great use of leftovers. It's super clean and healthy, apart from a little cream. It was quick, it was easy, and very importantly, it was gobbled up by the whole family. So 100% better for a Saturday afternoon than eating out or getting a takeout or relying on some convenience food or microwave meal to feed the kids. I'd love to know what you think though. Is this how you do weekend lunches around yours, or is it all too much effort, or I don't know, maybe not enough effort in your eyes? Let me know, and I will see you in the next video where we will save more on food together.
Oh my God. Sit down, please.